Hey, did you know every time you procrastinate, you're choosing something else over your dream? Let's break this down. Procrastination isn't just waiting. It's saying your dream isn't the priority right now. Crazy, right? Opportunity cost means choosing one thing means losing another. Social media, games, your trading time. When you skip that project or avoid starting your business, you're saying, I'd rather do this now. That's a choice. A quick scroll adds up. Days turn into weeks. Confidence drops. You start wondering, did I miss my chance? But here's the cool part. You get to choose your priority. Make that dream worth more than distractions. Every action is an investment in your future. So, what are you investing your time in today? Stop letting procrastination decide for you. Your dreams deserve to be prioritized. They're your chance to shine. Remember, each minute you choose action over procrastination brings you closer to your dream. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you. So take that leap. Start now, you got this.